All right, people, let me quickly bring you some of the updates you can't afford to miss very quickly. The first one is the propaganda of Tinubu's camp, the P-bats, as they call themselves, is getting messier. Yes, the propaganda against P2B is getting messier and funnier at the same time. One of his zombies posted this on their X platform. And I want you to listen to this very shortly, what he posted. Okay, now let us read what this Mumu man just posted. Bayo Bisili. Robbers broke into my house last night. They took my TV, laptop, and wallet. I begged one of them to let me pick something from the wallet. The robber was shocked. I only picked my voter's card. He was touched and asked who I want to vote. I say P-Bat. He returned all my belongings to me because he was an undecided voter that lost his mother to 13 months doctor strike in Anambra State in 2012. He said he can't forgive Peter Obi for that reason. He told his gang members to leave my apartment and focus elsewhere. The love of President Tinubu has saved my belongings. According to one Mumu man, P-Bat Umuzombi. I guess you have you heard what I read out there. According to the Tinubu's media warriors, as they call themselves. All right. So, what comes to mind while I was reading that post is the fact that not only thieves are in love with Tinubu. I mean, don't be so. You know, they are trying everything to rubbish Peter Obi. At first, there was never a time in Anambra State we had 12 months doctor strike in Anambra State. Except it's a national strike, which is the usual thing. You know, there was no time Anambra doctors went on strike under Peter Obi's time. At least I am from Anambra State and I live in Anambra State up to tomorrow. This one you are seeing me here in Barcelona, Spain. Now just make I spend some time, cool off my head, and go back to that heat, that fire they have set off in Nigeria. Okay, so that is one news. I don't know how you react to it. Let me have your opinion on the comment section. And the second one, which is also very, very interesting, and I want you to consider this with me. The northern youths, the way they carry this matter, this 2027 election matter for head, the thing is amazing, honestly speaking.
Na rance da Allah duk wanda aka ba 5,000 da taliya ya zaɓi wanda ba shi bane in ba ya bacci uwa ta ba Allah ya tsire ba kullum talakawa kuna jewa a cikin bala'i da masiwa. Duk wanda aka ba kuɗi wannan kankana ce wani ne duk wanda aka ba kuɗi ya zaɓi ɗan iska ɗan shege ya ci gaba da cutar da mu in ba ya bacci uwa ta ba Allah ya ƙona shi. Har unguwar sama mutum har gidan mutum ba je ma jawo shi bacci uwar da ta.
I go interpret to you what the guy just said in case you don't understand. You know what the young man was saying? They were announcing to everyone that could hear them with a loudspeaker as you saw them. Anyone that accepts 5,000 naira or any monetary inducement, that's if you are selling your vote to APC. They were very specific about that. If you sell your vote to politicians in the upcoming election, they are not just only going to deal with you, but they will trace your family too. Because they have suddenly realized the impact of bad governance on them. I like it. I just hope the Southerners, especially the Southeast, are getting the message. If they like, maybe they just sit down there like they know it all. Maybe they don't get prepared for 2027 election. The North, are leading in this mobilization for the ballot revolution. Then the final one, which is very interesting, I have to leave it for the last. Now, for those who are saying or thought that Kama had went on summer holiday, I want to shock you. Let me shock you with this news. You know the news. One of the Plea party, the supporters of Tinubus, they're a very strong staunch supporter of Tinubus last time. Now the daughter had come out to plead to Nigerians for mercy and medical support for the father that is dying of cancer.
Hello everybody, good evening. I'm here to ask for help for my daddy. He has cancer and it's really, really bad. And the hospitals are refusing to treat him. At least, please, give this man a chance. Nobody wants to do anything. Why not yet ask for money? Nobody is asking for money, but please, if you know somebody that knows somebody that can help. This man has a strong will to live. You see him, you can't even know that something is wrong that bad. It's just starting to show. We didn't even know until like 3 weeks ago. So please, I'm begging you. If you know somebody that knows somebody that will be willing to treat him, anything, we're willing to try anything. Please, why not yet ask for money? Nobody's yet asked for money. My big uncle has helped Yayi. He has been of great help. Like nobody even knew that he would show up for us this way. But if he's willing to do anything, but please, if you know somebody that knows somebody that will be willing to treat him, I would really appreciate it. Please, I can't watch my daddy die. I can't. Please.
Wow. And somebody go tell me, say, Kama is not real. Now, as a God-fearing Nigerian, let me just use that word, God-fearing Nigerian, as somebody that have a heart of gold, would you, in your right senses, send support to this man that is dying of cancer, who supported Tinubus and have been unable to access medical care for himself in Nigeria? I beg, the way you go react, put them for comment section. I no want talk too much. I just say make I update Nigerians and have their own opinion on this. My name is Asu Gerald Peters. Please stay safe at all times. I'm signing out from here, Barcelona, Spain.